Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. I'm Chris Holt, and today we're going to pick up new headlights for my 2002 Subaru WRX. So the headlights I'm looking to get online retail is about $120 on it, but I'm going to get them used at Facebook Marketplace, so they might not be in as good condition, but I still think they're going to be awesome. I chose these headlights because I'm going with a kind of OEM Plus look on the car, so I think it'll look good, not really doing a huge headlight change because it goes from chrome housing to black, and I think it'll just update the look of the car a lot better. I'll let you guys know once I have the headlights. So I just picked up a new pair of headlights for my car, and as you can tell they're pretty fogged up, but the reason why I picked these is because they have the black housing. I think it looks a lot better, and I think it'll totally update the look of the car. So this is the new headlight, and this is the old one. As you can see, the chrome just doesn't do it for me, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to polish these up and show you guys how to do it for little to no money. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is use some of this 2000 grit sandpaper right here, and I'm going to wet sand this headlight to try and get some of the oxidation out. Hopefully it turns out pretty good, and I'll let you guys know how it looks after a little bit of wet sanding. So we're going to go from that right there to that. It's a lot cleaner and kind of hard to see, hard to pick up on camera, but that one's a lot cleaner than that one. That one's got a lot of fog. So now that we got the headlights all polished up, we're going to come over here to the car and I'll show you guys how to install them. So the removal and install is pretty easy. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver, some sort of ratchet, and a 10mm socket. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Just about everyone's got this. Now to get things started, let's open the hood. Oh, that's interesting. So I'm in a bit of a different circumstance because I have the engine removed currently. It's a little bit different, but the battery, the factory battery, is going to be right over here. This is driver's side, and you're going to want to remove that. And then on the passenger side, you're going to have the airbox coming out here, and you're going to want to remove that or get that out of the way as well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove these 4 plastic clips right here on the side of the grill. 2 there, and 2 there. Just gotta work them out gently, and they should come right out. There's the pin, and there you go. Alright, so next step, you'll have the stock airbox right about here, and you'll have 2 10mm spacers, or 10mm bolts, my bad, right there, and like right there. You'll remove those pretty easy. And then next step we gotta do is there's little tabs in here that you just gotta take your flathead in and push them down, unclip them. There'll be 4, 2 on each side. And then I'll set that down, and the grill should come right out. There you go, grill removed. We'll then need to work these kind of side grills out. Come out with just a little bit of finesse. There you go. And then we'll be able to access our headlight bolts. So we got 3 headlight bolts right here. We got this one right there. Maybe it doesn't like that. On the top there. And then we got one right there and one right there. Shouldn't be too tight. Just gonna loosen it most of the way. Then go with that one. And then the lower one. Once you get all the bolts out, you're going to want to unplug the headlights back here. This is where the battery will be nice to be out. Just have to undo these clips. Now for me, I got the power steering pump in the way, but I'll just undo these clips and I'll show you afterwards. Now with the 2 clips off from the back, we can just kind of finagle the headlight out. And there you go. headlights out, free and clear. Alright guys, so this is the old side and the new side. Looks so much better. It just kind of looks more modern in my opinion. I don't know about the side markers, we might change those up, but it just looks kind of clean there. We come around, just looks not as good. So I just like the black housing because I think it looks a lot more new. I know it's a used pair of headlights and they're not perfectly clean, but I think they look really awesome and definitely my choice of headlight. They just modernize the car quite a bit more, and that's why I decided to go with these black housing ones, and they're a great buy. Alright, so I'm gonna change this one to the black housings, the new ones, and I'll let you know after. That just looks so much better. Alright, so we got the headlights installed on both sides right here, and I just think it makes the car look so much better. Honestly, you can tell that the headlights are used a little bit, you know, a little bit foggy still, so I still got a little bit more work to do on that, but it looks awesome, and for 40 bucks you can't go wrong with that. I got some fog lights coming, which they're gonna be back to stock, but that one's pretty okay, but this one right here is pretty cracked. Now let me get a light on that. So you can see it's cracked and had a repair job on it. So I've always wanted to replace that, and you can tell it's got some condensation on the inside, so I'm going to replace that. And then I also got a new emblem. This one kind of isn't too great either. I'll get the light again. Yeah, it's not the best emblem, so I got a carbon fiber and silver one. Might go carbon fiber in blue if that's what I decide to do. Then I'm gonna get some mud flaps for it, I believe. Gotta get the engine back in it. Still got a lot of work to do on this, but as a budget build, I think it's so far turning out great. Gonna be an OEM Plus build on this, and hopefully we'll have a really nice car. Check in with you guys a little bit later. Alright, so up here, I want you guys to tell me if you think for the front emblem I should do carbon fiber in silver or carbon fiber in blue. Now, I have the carbon fiber and silver one on order, but I'm going to install that, see how I like it, and if not, I can get the carbon fiber and blue one to match my mud flaps, which I did order. I ordered some universal Rally Armor mud flaps with the blue lettering, so that'll be another video coming up, because normally the kit for the normal ones that fit the car are 130 bucks, and the universal one's 20 bucks, so I decided to do that, and I'll show you guys how to install those and make some custom brackets for those in an upcoming video. So I want you guys to let me know in the comments down below what you thought of the headlights. For me, I personally really like them because I think they look pretty stock, but just a little bit newer, going from the black or the chrome to the black. I think it just enhances the look quite a bit. But let me know what you think of them in the comments down below. Tell me if you think I should have gotten another style of headlights and what else I should do to my car in the near future. So as you guys know, I'm from the Seattle area, so hopefully once this virus thing passes over, we can start going to different events and different meets, drives and stuff like that. But until now, I'm kind of based at home, not really got much as far as car culture stuff going on. But I have a 2010 Chevy Camaro and a 2002 Subaru WRX. Both I'm modifying and trying to make content for. So let me know different things that I can do to the cars that you guys are interested in, or certain content that I can make with them. Let me know in the comments down below, because everything helps. I'm just trying to come up with new content for you guys. So I just want to thank all you guys for watching. I really appreciate the views, the likes, the comments, the shares. All that is really appreciated by me. And like I say, I'm just starting out, and I'm trying to hit 3 videos a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And it's been, you know, kind of difficult doing all online classes and dealing with all of this. But I'm getting there and learning as I go. So if you guys have any suggestions on how I can make my content better, or things I can do, mods to my cars, or different video ideas, let me know in the comments down below. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Like I said, I'm just starting out and would love to gain maybe a little bit more following, because everything helps. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.